Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to delete shirts and get Robux back, or how to get Robux back from the items in the Roblox. So for this you have to just click on the settings icon at the very top right corner of your home page of Roblox and then click on the help. So now here you have to just search for the get Robux back and then click on this link here. So after doing so, you will find here's the step of the article. You have to just scroll down and here you will find a link which is named as need more help, contact support here. So you have to just click on this link to open it. After doing so, you will find here's a step of the interface. Here you have to just put here for the contact informations first, including your username, your first name, your email address, and again confirm your email address. After this you have to just put here for your issue details. In the device you have to select for the device which you are using, like I am using PC. So beyond your device selection you have to just select for the type of the help category. Note one thing, that this is the most important step for your selection. You have to just select here for the purchases using Robux. If you have an option of the Robux, you can also select that option. So in the next option just select for the website item and then scroll down. Beyond this you will find here a description of your issue. You have to just make a step of the description that I want to refund this item and put here your item name. And you have to just show here your cost of that Robux, and the reason is the main thing that you have to just show in your description. I just copy this description from here and then paste it here. You can also copy these words and then you have to just click on the submit. Within 24 to 48 hours you will be able to refund your item and get Robux back. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.